dyan,
Oo,
katakawan yun.
Yun lang, masakla.
Yung
Sincere lang naman tayo.
hindi mo nginunguya, diniretso mo lunok.
Para sawa.
Ano yan, sawa?
So the angel, you shall understand, but not yet. Said the angel. If flight comes and flight light is rejected, then comes the condemnation of God. So dito, tungkol naman sa Sabbath, I said that the servants of God must go together, preach together. Pinakita ng Diyos kay Ellen White na kailangan ang mga lingkod ng Diyos ay magiging malapit sa isa't isa. I was then shown the cause of Stephenson and Hall of Wisconsin, that they were convicted while we were at Wisconsin in June 1854. Kaya, I was pointed back to the rise of the Advent doctrine, and even before the time, and saw that there had not been a parallel to the deception, misinterpretation, and falsehood that has been practiced by the messenger party, or such an accusation of corrupt hearts under a cloak of religion. Some honest hearts have been influenced by them, concluding that they had at least some cause for their statements, thinking them incapable of uttering such glaring falsehood. I saw that such will have evidence of truth of these matters. The Church of God should move straight along, as though there was not such a people in the world. I saw that decided efforts should be made to show those who are Christ-like in their lives their wrongs, and if they do not correct their lives, yung mga kamalian nila, kapag hindi nila ito tinutuwid, they should be separated from the precious and holy. Sila ay hiwalay, that God may have a clean and pure people that He can delight in. Upang ang Diyos ay makipagkaisa sa kanila, mayroon siyang bayan handang kalingain ng Diyos. Dishonor Him not by linking the clean with the unclean. I was shown some coming from the east to the west. I said that it should be not be the object of those live in the east for the west. Get rich, yung mga pinakita ng Diyos kay Sister White kung paano yung mga kapatid lumago doon sa part ng east ng Amerika, west ng Amerika, na buying property. Mayroong mga bahay-bahay, lupa-lupa. Mga hanap buhay. Kaya nanawagan ng Diyos tayo ay magsakripisyo at sumunod. Ano? Sabi dito, this I saw displeased God. Hindi daw nalulugod ang Diyos. Dito. He has said he was more willing to give the Holy Spirit to them that ask Him. Ang Diyos daw nagbibigay ng banal na Espiritu doon sa mga humihingi. Then early parents are to give good gifts to their children. I saw that the servants of God and the church were too easily discouraged. Oh, nakita ni Sister White yung mga alipin ng Diyos, lingkod ng Diyos ay madaling manlupaypay. When they ask their Father in heaven, kapag
pag humingi kasi gusto ko ibigay.
Oo. Yun ang kahinaan ng tao. Gusto kasi pag humingi sa Diyos, agad na riyan. Pero hindi lahat pala ng panahon.
Agad merong tamang panahon kung kailan yung alam ng Diyos na mas kailangan nyo.
Oh, tsaka mayroon pa dito na pag humingi, mayroon kasi anak, pag umiyak sa magulang, alam ng magulang na yung hiningi ng anak ay hindi nakakabuti, ay hindi talaga ipagkaloob.
Yung problema yung humihingi ang gusto niya, yung hiningi niya, yun talaga, kung ngayon na.
Kaya sweldo yung mabuting ama yun yung pagmahal sa anak.
Tama.
Ay mali naman. Para maging ilay yung ganun, magulang. I saw that the servants of God and the church were too easily discouraged when they asked their Father in heaven for things they thought they needed. And because it did not immediately come, their faith wavered. Their courage fled, and a murmur.
Bumili siya ng power so.
Mas mga gamit ko yung mahal yun. Kaya yun yung mga pangyari na ang standard ng Diyos hindi ganun kadali. Their faith must not let go to the promises of God if they do not see or feel the immediate answer of their prayers. Be not afraid to trust God. Rely upon His sure promise. Ask and you shall receive. God is too wise to err. Eh dito pinakikita namin ni Sister White kung paano magtiwala sa Diyos. I so if we did not feel immediate answers to our prayers, we should hold fast our faith. Let no distrust come in. O wag hayaan na yung hindi pagtitiwala ay darating. Wag ganon, for that will separate from us from God. So ganon na hindi na tayo magtiwala sa Diyos. Ay yun ang dahil na maghiwalay sa atin sa Diyos. If our faith wavers, we shall receive nothing from Him. Kapag ang ating pananampalataya ay mag-wave, no? Manghina at magalinlangan, ay
Pero naisip ko lang ba? Bakit yung sabi nila, lalo nga kami tumatatag, lalo kami nagiging
Hindi pa tatagan na lang.
hindi yung tumatatag sa anong-anong.
yung sa spiritual lang, katulad ng pag-aaral nila, naging matatag sila sa pag-aaral na kanila.
Matatag na mali.
Pero umiisip naman din sila, meron namang katotohanan binigay ang Diyos sa kanila.
Ay, hindi naging tapat. Kaya tingnan mo, yung tatanungin sila sa mensahe, hindi nila alam kung paano sagutin.
Saan umakyat? Sa langit?
Sa langit.
Doon na sinusubok yan. Kasi yung mga ina-invento ng kapal, marami namang rin yung nag-invento rin ng kanilang reliyon.
Oo.
Doktrina.
Nakatag din naman sila.
Tinatama-tama lang nila.
Tama.
Na,
Dating daan. Ba?
o yung kanilang puso, pita ng puso, ay nasa
Jesus
hinahanap nila
Christ
sa salita ng Diyos. Sila naman ay pinintulutang magkaloob noon dahil yun nga ay nasa puso nila. Yun yung sinabi ng Biblia.